Hi, I'm Cheri. Welcome to English with Cheri. Today, let's relax together in my living room and learn some everyday vocabulary. Living room. This is the living room. It's my favorite place to rest after a long day. Sofa. I sit on the sofa. Sometimes I fall asleep. It's so soft and comfortable, perfect for relaxing. Couch. Did you know that a couch is the same as a sofa? They are just different words for the same thing. I use both words. Armchair. This armchair is comfortable. It's so cozy. I could stay here all day reading or just daydreaming. Coffee table. I enjoy reading a good book with a warm cup of coffee. I place my coffee on the coffee table. It's right in front of the sofa, very handy. Coaster. This is a coaster. I put it under my cup to protect the table. See? No rings on the wood. The side table is small, but very helpful. I place my book or my phone on the side table. It's next to my armchair. This is a pretty vase with flowers. It makes the room look nicer and fresher. Welcome back to English with Cheri. I watch TV after work. What's your favorite show? Tell me in the comments. This is a TV stand. The TV is on the TV stand. I also use it to store other items like my video games or DVDs. Now, where did I put the remote? Here it is, under the pillow. I always lose it. Lamp. The lamp is on. Nice and cozy. I can turn the lamp off and on. It gives such a warm, soft light in the evening. Rug. The rug is comfortable. It feels so nice. I love wiggling my toes in the soft, fluffy rug. It keeps my feet warm too. Window. The window is open. Fresh air feels good. I love fresh air through an open window, especially on a nice day. Now look at the curtains. The wind is blowing so hard. Oh no. The curtains are light and pretty, but today they want to fly away. The bookshelf is full. So many books on the bookshelf. These are my books. I love books. Some I have already read. Some I plan to read in the future. Reading makes me happy. Picture. The picture is on the wall. It's a beautiful photo of nature. Photo frame. This is my photo frame. It has a picture of a happy smiling face. It's so cute and funny, it always makes me smile. This is a clock. The clock shows the time. Oh, it's getting late. Let's hurry and finish learning these words. This is a plant. Plants make the room feel alive and fresh. This little green plant is basking in the sunlight. Please don't forget to water your plants. Candle. This candle smells so nice like vanilla. I light it in the evening for a cozy mood. This is a speaker. I listen to music. Soft music. It helps me feel calm and relaxed. What kind of music do you like? This is a pillow. The pillow is comfortable. I like to hug it while watching TV. This is a blanket. The blanket is warm. It is perfect for relaxing. I love sitting on my couch and snuggling under a soft, warm blanket, especially when it's cold outside. Great job! You learned exactly 25 living room words today. Congratulations! Watch this video again to remember the words better. Pause and repeat each word after me as often as you need. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more fun English videos. Tell me your favorite living room item in the comments. See you next time. Bye for now.